Hello, this is Beth Luger, introducing this exceptional 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home set within the desirable McCord Pointe community at 9726 Haughton Lane in McCordsville. Constructed in May of 2022, this move-in ready home offers a harmonious blend of comfort and style and welcomes you with its well-appointed exterior, covered porch, and beautifully maintained yard cared for by the community. Step inside the inviting foyer where luxury vinyl plank floors guide you seamlessly through the open floor plan. The great room boasts an expansive wall of windows, a gas fireplace, and views of the tree-lined home site. The chef-inspired kitchen is sure to delight, featuring 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, a substantial island with breakfast bar, a gas range, and stainless steel appliances. Flowing effortlessly into the spacious dining area, it's an ideal space for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. Retreat to the primary bedroom sanctuary tucked away at the rear of the home and adorned with a tray ceiling. The ensuite bathroom offers a comfort height vanity, dual sinks, tile flooring, a lavish shower, and a generously sized walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms provide ample space and privacy, strategically positioned away from the primary suite. Step outside to the covered lanai, an extended patio within the fenced-in yard, where outdoor entertaining is a breeze amidst the privacy provided by the mature trees lining the home site. With a 3-car garage, there's plenty of room for storage and vehicles, leading to a foyer with locker-style built-ins for organizational ease and a spacious laundry room. The community amenities are superb, with lawn maintenance, snow clearing up to the front door, irrigation system services, a private pool, playground, clubhouse, and a refreshing pond at the entrance. Energy-efficient enhancements including Energy Star appliances, an Aqua Systems water softener, and a variety of smart features are just some of the thoughtful additions that will convey to the new homeowner. Great neighborhood attractions and convenience are close by, with easy access to major highways providing convenient travel to the greater Indianapolis area. Don't miss this opportunity to make this remarkable home yours. Please call me if you have any questions. This is Beth Luger with the Luger team at Century 21.